showing you care. Even when times get tough, I can count on you to be there. In good times and bad times, I'm so glad that you're in my life. No matter how hard things get, I know you'll stay by my side. I got you, you got me. That's the way it's supposed to be. And you know that will never change. And I'll stick by you through the thick and thin.
They belong to this one.
For so long as we don't believe that they are really sad, we can just listen to them.
Nigerian.
I don't listen to Nigerian. All of them. Yo,
Most of them.
95%.
They are doing the same thing. Oh, free zone, public picnic area. Kunde kwemabhaiki kwemapati. Vakaisa here gate pale.
Wait, they put sand around so you don't.
Huh?
Big it is. I said they dumped sand.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, when
You got the keys to my heart. My baby never lets me down. My baby never lets me down. My baby never. You deserve a crown. My baby never lets me down. My baby never lets me down. My baby never. Oh, baby, you're my dealer.
Yeah. IG baddies, you see? They are the real IG baddies, and they don't even have IG. Yeah, you're not cheap, but you won't get there.
When I look in your eyes, all I see is paradise. Give me your waist right now. I need the taste of your sweet fire. Me wanna look in your eyes and say nakupenda. I wanna hold you tight from the morning till the night. Oh, oh, auntie, auntie, when you touch me, all I can see is your love. Put it on me, want your body, oh my baby, you're amazing. Auntie, auntie, when you touch me, all I...
This is a video, okay? We will go with the video now. We are going down.
down.
We are done exercising. What an experience.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel alright.
You feel alright?
Yeah.
You feel good?
I feel good.
That's nice.
Hey love, you are by June's Mall. Okay. How's Namibia so far? It's laka ne, it's laka bra. Baby, babe. I'm I'm doing both videos and photos.
Hi, how are you? It's so beautiful. It will fit her perfectly.
I had to look at it twice. And then I said,
Do you live here?
Yes, we live here.
Maybe we have your number because we live in India, for example, you're visiting. So we give you the code. So yes, she cannot remove now. But
And then how much will it be?
whatever we do.
I didn't left.
People are friends.
One day.
Right to me and tell me what I'm doing right now.